everyone and welcome. This is Angela and I'm here today to share with you my most recent journal using graphics from the premium membership site as well as from the blog at the Graphics Fairy. So it's a good mix of printables that I have used. And the theme of my journal, actually the name of my journal is Winnie's Cottage. And the theme is of a beekeeper. This is Winnie. I was inspired by this cabinet card, and her name is Winifred. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Layton. And she is the beekeeper and owner who established the cottage. And the main kit that I pulled from for this journal is the Beekeeper's Cottage. And these are just showing you some of the images. And I think I used the majority of them, and you'll see them throughout, as well as a lot of other images that I pulled from different bundles simply by doing a search for bees and flowers, and it was easy to put Winnie's journal together. And a list of all the bundles that I pulled from are at the bottom of the post. So this is just a simple, elegant cover. This is from the Tattered Paper Treasures kit, and then just the bee here, and then the bees in the back of it. I love, this was included also in the kit, this printable, the hexagons. So again, this is Winnie, and she established the cottage, and so we're just going to take a little tour. I put her name here. And she has lots of things inside. She has sisters that are involved in helping with gathering the wax and the honey, and they take them to a local shop. So included in the Beekeeper's Cottage set, there's always additional goodies, more than what's just here on the printable. This is a gift bag that they offer that I printed out, and inside of it they would package up their soap. Actually, this isn't soap, this is the bees wax, and you can use it to make soaps and candles and chapsticks and that sort of thing. And one of Winnie's nieces, here she is here, she always was eager to come to the cottage to help, and she loved to hear from Winnie. And these are some postcards that I printed. This is from the, I think the Flowers and Bee bundle. Again, you can find all the bundles I use at the bottom of this post. So she would keep these here to remind her, because again, Winnie loved to hear from her. There's some space for journaling. I pulled this. This is one of the French documents on the site, and I liked it because it had the bee up there. I also mixed in with the journal some pages that I found, or actually I was gifted these a while back, of bees. It's a printable from the site. And this is a register, just different documents they would use to keep track of the bees and the progress. There's a pocket here. And this right here is another little, I love this graphic. It is so rich in color. And I just made an envelope, or it actually is an envelope, and then I made another one inside of here that she would keep her invoices and receipts in. It's another little pocket. Just a place where she can jot down notes. These little tickets here are also from the site and are in addition to the actual bundle that you can print out. Information in this book page that I used about making wax. Another envelope here. Let's see, take this out. These pictures are some of the flowers that were at the cottage. The cottage was absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to get to that center spread that shows the flowers in full bloom. That's the envelope I decorated. Another place where she could keep different things, invoices and receipts. And then the center spread here, this is an actual picture of the cottage. It was easy to imagine a life of a beekeeper here. And then they would take, this is from the soap maker bundle, they would take their the wax and such and take it to a local shop, and they would make it into soap and candles and sell. And just some more correspondence, a receipt. And I just embellished here with buttons. They would also invite friends, family. The cottage was just gorgeous, and so children would come, other relatives would, and this image, just the colors again are so vibrant, and the mother's pointing out the beehives there. And then some hidden journaling. And I found this fabric that I had with the little bees on there, so I thought that was perfect. Some more of those little tickets. Another flowers, when he also loved to study the different flowers and the flowers that the bees were most attracted to. This is Winnie's sister and another sister that would help her at the cottage. Another gorgeous graphic of a beehive with the flowers and the bird. Oops. These are also available, these bookmarks. So I just printed it out and embellished here. It'll be a nature card and a picture of the hives, wooden hives that were in the cottage on the property. And I just made this little envelope here, one of Winnie's favorite flowers. Also included, her niece loved to make things and send to her aunt because she knows how much she enjoys the bees. And I really have to say I enjoyed creating this tag. The premium membership site not only has the graphics, the bundles that you can choose from in print, but in addition, like you saw, they have the gift bags, just different things that you don't think are there until you start exploring. And they also have tutorials on how to make different tags. So this one was really fun because, of course, it involved glitter. So that was there. And I also made just a little envelope and used some of the beautiful paper. That was one of the bundles. And just put my extra stuff in there that I printed and did not use, but the person who does eventually own this journal could use these items inside. And there's another tag here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of Winnie's cottage. Thanks for joining.